For those who would need to repair suspension on this RC car, I will show you how to fix one problem here. I had this axle come off from the hub. This is the hub, and this metal part was inside, which moves the wheel, and this axle was connected to this wheel like this, and there's a small bar in here, so it came off and the whole axle came off in the end. So to repair that, you need to buy a spare part which is sold together with this hub, the axle and the hub already connected. But to remove this hub, you need to figure out what to do with this piece here. This piece is used to keep the wheel in its place. When you screw it in, it doesn't allow the wheel to move around the axle. This is how it looks like. So this is the piece that you would need to remove from the hub to replace this axle with the hub. And when you want to do this, you don't know whether it's screwed to this axle here or you just put on it. You don't know whether there are threads or not. In order to remove this piece, you would have to pry it out. You can take a screwdriver and try to pry it out. Like this. And this way it will come off. And this way you will be able to replace the axle.